Good morning, students. Now we have to study about the circle. Generally, the circle is a circular path, and we have many examples, just like that bangles, rings, wheel of this means any wheel means it is in circular path. So, in geometry, we have to study about that circle. So, some important points those are related to circle that we have to study here. Some definitions are here. See, what is meant by circle? Circle is a set of points at a fixed distance from a fixed point. What is circle? It is a set of points like this. Number of points they are including in this, and then one thing is coming, that is it will come like this. So, circle is nothing but it is the set of point at a fixed distance. Distance is very important. If we consider like this, and moving, then circle is formed there. So, circle is nothing but it is a set of points at a fixed distance. Set of points at a fixed distance. Circle is a set of points at a fixed distance from a fixed point. Fixed distance and fixed point is very important. Okay. Now that fixed point, center is what? A fixed point is called center. जो भी fixed point होता है उसे क्या कहा जाता है? Center. In figure C, this is a fixed point, and around that there is a circle drawn. So fixed point is called as a center. Then a fixed distance. This thing you keep in mind. Fixed point, fixed distance. A fixed distance is called radius. A fixed point is called center. A fixed distance is called radius. Means this is the center and this fixed distance CA is called the radius. We can draw infinite number of radius to the circle. Both radius निकाल सकते हैं आप circle को. Then diameter is what? A segment passing through the center and joining any two points is called diameter. Diameter क्या होती है? That diameter it is a line segment which passes through the center. Center से पास होने वाली जो भी लाइन सेगमेंट रहती है, जो कि दो पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करती है सर्कल पे, उसे डायमीटर कहा जाता है. डायमीटर. ओके. So diameter is nothing but it is a segment which passes through the center and joining any two points of the circle is called as diameter. In figure BD is the diameter. Now chord, a segment which does not pass through the center. Center में से जो लाइन सेगमेंट पास नहीं होती है उसे क्या कहा जाता है? chord कहते हैं. A line segment which does not pass through the center but joining any two points of the circle, it is called as a chord. So all the definitions you have to study very carefully. Then this is called as a secant. This is called as secant. Secant means what? It is a line which is passing through the circle and intersecting any two points in the circle. That line is called as a secant. Secant is nothing but it is a line which passes through the circle and cutting the circle at two distinct points. दोन वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी ते काय करते? याला इंटरसेक्टिंग करते. त्याला काय म्हटलं जाते? मग secant म्हणायचं. secant. Okay. So secant, a line intersecting the circle at two distinct points is called as secant. In our figure, this RS is the secant. So in this way, all these parts are related to circle. Now, this circular path is called as circumference. क्या कहेंगे उसको? circumference. That circular part is called as a circumference. So in this way, we have to study about the circle and all its parts. Okay. That next points I will take later on.